Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company. And today I wanted to address a little matter that happens to quilters where people say, do you really need to make another quilt? What are you going to do with this quilt when you're done? Who are you making this quilt for? And one day I had a lady come into my shop when I owned a quilt shop, and she walks up to the counter and her husband is standing behind her just mad. And she says to me, my husband says I don't need to make another quilt because we already have one. And I said, oh, he just doesn't understand. It's like golf. And nobody says to a golfer, so do you really need another game of golf? Who are you playing golf for today? Now, what are you going to do with that game of golf when you're done with it? And I know that those questions just sound ridiculous. The husband stood behind her and said, well, I have to play golf because my doctor told me I need to for the exercise. Of course, we were all laughing inside because we know that all the golf courses in the area make you rent a cart so they can move more people through. So you don't really get that much exercise, but you do get some and some sunshine, so that's good. But anyway, those questions just sound ridiculous about golf. But golf is a hobby, just like fishing. Some people fish and they eat the fish. Other people just catch and release. So then there's bowling. Some people, their hobby is watching TV. Some people like to knit or cross stitch. So there's all sorts of different hobbies out there, and you pay your money. I mean, think about golf. You got to get golf clubs. The green fees are outrageous. You got to buy those funny plaid pants. Oh yeah, my husband said they don't wear those anymore. But special shoes, golf balls, and then drinks in the club afterward. So it all adds up to a lot. So the difference is that quilting happens to produce a byproduct, and a wonderful byproduct. So the answer is, should you keep doing your hobby? Should you keep quilting? Of course. We do it because it's fun. We do it because we learn. We do it because it works our brain. And we like doing it. And we do it because we like the quilts. So keep doing it. Take a class, join a quilt group. Just quilt at home and have fun with your hobby and don't feel guilty at all. So thanks a bunch. Hope that helps you out, and we'll see you next time.